Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fast growing gear site on the web, and today we're going to uncrate the Klim Marrakesh Jacket. What's up, SpeedX fan? Before we jump into one of my favorite jackets on the market today, do us both a favor, subscribe to the Speed Addicts channel and stay up to date on all the latest gear coming your way. We're always working hard here at Speed Addicts to bring you the latest gear reviews. Subscribe, and that way you don't miss out. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, we really do appreciate that, and it's as easy as just shopping with us. We make it really simple. There's a link in the description below to get you right over to the Klim Marrakesh. Again, one of my favorites at the moment. While you're over at speedaddicts.com, feel free to shop for any other parts or gear you might need for your next two-wheel adventure. And it is apt that I mention adventure because we have some of the kings of adventure in the studio today. It is Klim, and this is the Marrakesh Jacket. Now, if you're not familiar, Klim's out of Idaho. It's an American company, actually owned by Polaris, specialized in technical riding gear, and they make really high-end, awesome garments, not only for adventure riding, but off-road riding, and also for snowmobiling in case you do any of that as well. Okay, so what is the Marrakesh about, and why do I like it so much? This is actually the version, the V2 of the Marrakesh, and they usually don't change their name at Klim, or change the name of the garment at Klim. They do iterations, and the part number will change, but the name will change, so you might not always understand that it's a new version that just happened with the Marrakesh. Now, the reason I like the Marrakesh, and it's one of my favorite kind of three-season jackets, it's best when it's dry, although it can shed a little bit of water. It's not best for wet weather because it's meant to breathe. But the other cool thing I like about the Marrakesh is that it's got four-way stretch. It is extremely, see how it stretches around my shoulder, extremely comfortable, and it breathes really well. I will pick this over any mesh jacket on the market because it ventilates almost as well while being way more comfortable and having a whole suite of armor, which is really so good it's hard to see it's even in there. Okay, that's all D3O. Multiple colorways available, $419 to $449, depending on the size and color option you're going to pick here. Not inexpensive, of course. That is the way it goes with Klim. Best is never cheap, folks. Size small through 3 extra large. Like I said, this garment is really forgiving. You gain a few pounds in the winter, you're not going to have any issues because of how much it stretches. Now, the sizing chart from Klim for jackets is dead on. So I'm a 44-inch chest, 220 pounds. I'm wearing the large. Large is 44 to 46-inch chest. And the length is perfect. I'm 6'2", so it comes down plenty long so you're not showing crack on the highway. Crack kills, folks. Okay, so that is the sizing rundown. Now, when you're shopping for gear online, I know it doesn't always go right the first time. That's why at Speed Addicts, we're going to cover your return costs. That's right, we don't nickel and dime you like those corporate moto outfits. We're going to treat you like family, give you a free return label to get a different size. You can order a different color. You can get your money back. Whatever you need to do, we're going to hook you up. All you have to do to qualify is live in lower 48 states and make sure the gear is brand new in their original condition when you send it back. Okay, enough with my shameless plug. Back to the jacket. So 4-way stretch chassis, and it's 1,000 denier Karbonite Micromesh Cordura. A lot of jackets throw around 500 and 600 denier. This is 1,000, so this is very durable, which is shocking considering how supple and stretchy it is. It's great. Again, this is my favorite jacket. I don't say that about all the gear in here. I really, really like the Marrakesh, and I have for a long time, even the version 1.0, and they've definitely made it better here. Now, even these pocket inserts are pretty high denier count. So this is a 500 denier insert on these pockets. These little trim inserts they did just to give it kind of a different design flair here. The rest of this entire chassis is that 1,000 denier. There's also a little bit of trim that's 500 on the back. Now let's talk about the armor. You are going to get the latest and greatest from D3O. In case you're not familiar, let me show you what that is. And our cameras always love this screaming orange color they use at D3O. So this is the Viper Spine Protector. Again, it's AA certified stuff, CE certified stuff. The spine protector, the Viper spine protector, nice, flexible, extremely lightweight spine protector that is perforated so that it breathes nicely. The cool thing about D3O is that it's soft and supple when it's moving slow on your body, but when the velocity comes and you impact on D3O, this soft kind of foam material hardens up. That's the magic and the proprietary secrets of D3O to protect your meat vehicle out there. Now that's the spine protector. What's in the elbows and shoulders, you're asking? It doesn't even look like I have armor on because they're using the D3O Ghost level 1 armor. Now this stuff is new. When I picked up the Marrakesh in the studio today to shoot this video, I didn't even realize it was in there. I thought the armor was missing at first because it is so thin and it's so smooth. They actually put this material on the back. I don't know what this is, but it's very slippery. That way it just moves with you. So I do have the armor in this elbow. Again, you can barely see it. And because of D3O's properties of hardening up on an impact, you really don't need that much thickness to really offer you some great protection. So this is one of the elbow protectors. It does come down pretty low here. And then you have it, the same Ghost inserts up in the shoulder. Could you switch it out with like a level 2 protection from D3O? Use one of their bulkier pads? You absolutely could. Again, the stretch here is going to give you room to work. So if you want a little bit more protection, you could do so. Let's get into the zippers and pockets. So we have YKK zippers. Down here on the cuffs, they are self-locking so they don't blow around in the wind. And let's go ahead and open this up so you can see what that looks like. There's your mesh gusset here. So if you need a little bit more airflow, you can kick that open while you're on the road. The cuff itself is nice and stretchy. It's definitely fitting over my watch, no problem. And you can put a glove above or under, it's your call. Here's your medical ID pocket. If you want to use that for a medical identification card or something like that, you could. Otherwise, you have a nice little stash pocket on your wrist. There, up to the chest. Whoa, where are we? Okay, here's your chest pocket. You do get a little loop. You want to put your key on there when you're off the bike or something like that. You have a little elastic pull tab and a decent sized pocket. I can kind of fit my hand in there. When we move down below, you will have 2 decent sized pockets down here, and then it's going to be able to actuate the waist gaiter by pulling on tabs in both pockets because it does have a shock cord here to keep the weather out of it. Moisture wicking liner in this guy, and it will shed water droplets. This is not a wet weather jacket. If you're gonna hit a rainstorm or something like that, you're gonna need to put something over it. In terms of its warmth, it's not insulated. This is a mild to hot weather jacket. You can layer though. So if you're going out in the spring or fall and it's cold, you can go ahead and throw on a base layer, you know, as long as it's not like super cold or more winter temps, then you'll be in trouble. But you can layer underneath this jacket, and because it's stretching, again, it's very flexible. You have 3M Scotchlite reflective materials in a few points of this jacket, and on the sleeves and the back, 2-year warranty from Klim. It is the Marrakesh, most comfortable motorcycle jacket on the market, and really stealth D3O armor. Love this jacket. It's a great commuter, especially in the spring and summertime. 1000 denier slide protection, abrasion resistance. Fabulous jacket. Now, if you still got questions, Rider Support's always standing by at speedaddicts.com, where you can talk to a human over the phone, emails, or live chat. And if you have a Marrakesh, even the version 1.0, there's a lot of them out there. We sold a ton of the Marrakesh. Let us know how you like it in the comment section below. Don't just take my word for it. That does it for today, folks. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.